Welcome back to Purvika. Today we are taking a look at the Realme Watch. Begin the unboxing. The Realme Watch touchscreen is a 320:320 pixel display with vivid colors and lifelike visuals. You will get to have personalized watch faces. There are 12 inbuilt faces that you can change for different occasions. The Link app can be downloaded and you can add fresh ones, or if you wish to customize, you can do so with the Link app. The design of the device, as you might have already noticed, is a square display with rounded off corners and edges. There is a single button on the right side of the device, while the back side features the sensors and magnetic points of contact which is used to charge your device. Charging of this device is going to be very simple. All you have to do is just place it on top of the charging disc and it will start charging. This is the closest you will get to wireless charging experience. Blood oxygen level is quite important, especially during the COVID times. And here we have Realme providing us with the SpO2 monitors, which lets us keep a track of our blood oxygen levels. Realme claims that you will be alerted if the heart rate falls below the nominal level. There are 14 different sport modes in the intelligent activity tracker that includes cricket, badminton, elliptical, even aerobic abilities. Other than the usual ones, the Realme Watch can act as a smart control center, turning off the lights or maybe even turning on your smart TV, etc. There are options to control speakers, smart purifiers, Realme's own Realme Buds Air, and so many more. Speaking of Facebook, Insta and Twitter, if you haven't been following us on these socials, you should do so right away, as we have an ongoing IPL contest where you stand to win a prize by just predicting match results. You should get on it right away. Back to the Realme Watch. We get an IP68 water resistance rating, which means it's safe if you're washing your hands. This watch has a 160 mAh battery that lasts you for about 6 to 9 days according to Realme. As mentioned earlier, you will need Realme Link app for customizing your watch. You can check it out by clicking on the link given below. Thank you for watching. If you found this video informative, do give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. And yes, do not forget to click on that bell icon.